Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing email marketing and how it works. If you're a business owner, marketer, or even just someone who is curious about email marketing, this video is for you. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a form of digital marketing where businesses or organizations use email to communicate with their target audience or customers. The goal of email marketing is to build relationships with the audience and encourage them to take action, such as purchasing a product or service, subscribing to a newsletter, or attending an event. How does email marketing work? Now that we know what email marketing is, let's dive into how it works. There are a few key components to an email marketing campaign. Email list. The first step in creating an email marketing campaign is to build an email list. This list includes the email addresses of people who have opted in to receive communications from your business or organization. Email software. To send out email campaigns, you will need email software. There are many different email software options available, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit. These platforms allow you to design and send emails, track opens and clicks, and manage your email list. Email content. The content of your email is crucial in determining the success of your email marketing campaign. Your emails should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to your subscribers. The content could be a newsletter, promotional offer, event announcement, or any other type of communication. Call to action. The purpose of an email marketing campaign is to encourage your subscribers to take action. This could be anything from purchasing a product or service to downloading an ebook or signing up for a webinar. A clear and compelling call to action, CTA, is essential to achieving your goals. Analytics. The final component of email marketing is analytics. Tracking the performance of your email campaigns is critical in optimizing your future campaigns. Email software platforms provide a wealth of data such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Benefits of email marketing. Now that we've covered the components of email marketing, let's take a look at some of the benefits it offers. Cost-effective. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective forms of marketing. Compared to other marketing channels, it has a high return on investment, ROI. Targeted. With email marketing, you can segment your email list and send targeted messages to specific groups of people. This ensures that your message is more relevant and personalized to your audience. Measurable. Email marketing allows you to track the performance of your campaigns in real time. You can see who opened your emails, clicked on your links, and even made a purchase. Builds relationships. Email marketing is a great way to build relationships with your audience. By providing them with valuable content, you can establish trust and loyalty with your subscribers. Increases sales. Perhaps the most significant benefit of email marketing is that it can increase sales. By sending targeted messages to people who have already expressed interest in your products or services, you are more likely to convert them into paying customers. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. It allows you to build relationships with your audience, increase sales, and track the performance of your campaigns. By following the steps we outlined today, you can create a successful email marketing campaign that drives results for your business. Thanks for watching.